In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Autosolve chat after 1 hour in Tidio. Managing conversations efficiently is crucial for maintaining excellent customer service, and with Tidio, you can automate the process to ensure your team focuses on what's most important. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Tidio dashboard. This is your control center and where you can access all the settings and features Tidio offers. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. From there, go to Workflows. Now, this is where the magic happens. Workflows allow you to automate routine tasks, like solving conversations automatically, which not only increases efficiency, but also saves precious time for your team. Once you're in the Workflows section, you'll want to direct your attention to the Templates tab. Here, a range of pre-designed workflows is available to streamline various processes. The one we're interested in today is called Solve Conversations Automatically, specifically for live conversations. This template is designed to automatically mark conversations as solved, helping you maintain a neat and organized chat flow without unnecessary clutter from old or inactive chats. Click on Use Template, or if you're looking to add your personal touch, select the Customize option on that template. This opens the Workflow Editor, which is an incredibly handy tool allowing you to fine-tune the automation process to your liking. Now, in the Workflow Editor, you'll want to set the amount of time after which conversations should be automatically marked as solved. For our purpose, change this setting to 1 hour. You'll likely find a field where you can specify this in terms of minutes or hours, so make sure to input the correct duration. This specific workflow is particularly useful for conversations where an agent has already responded, but the visitor hasn't replied further. It helps keep your active conversation queue relevant and uncluttered by resolving those chats that don't require immediate attention. After you've customized everything to your liking, remember to save and activate the workflow. This is critical because the workflow won't work unless it's turned on. Double-check to ensure it's active, and you're all set. You've now equipped your Tidio account to handle conversations more effectively by enabling Autosolve after 1 hour of inactivity. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up an automated system to tidy up your chat flow, focusing your team's efforts on the discussions that truly matter. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks.